Finding the right tile cutter can dramatically improve the speed and precision of your renovation or tiling project. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 tile cutters in 2025, comparing manual versus power models to help you make the best decision for your needs. Let's begin with the VEVOR manual tile cutter. This is a heavy-duty beast built for large format tile projects. It supports cuts up to 48 inches in length, making it ideal for flooring and commercial spaces that require longer tiles. The body is constructed from industrial-grade aluminum, giving it both durability and stability. What makes this cutter so precise is the tungsten carbide scoring wheel and an infrared laser guide that helps users align cuts with accuracy. It's designed to handle both ceramic and porcelain tiles with ease, and the non-slip handle gives a firm grip for smooth scoring and snapping. Reviewers consistently praise the VEVOR cutter for its solid construction and clean cuts, particularly on larger jobs where typical manual cutters fall short. Next up is the QEP manual tile cutter, which is an excellent mid-size option for both homeowners and contractors. This model features a titanium-coated tungsten carbide cutting wheel and dual chrome-plated rails that ensure a smooth glide across the tile. With a 24-inch cutting capacity, it strikes a nice balance between portability and utility. It's particularly well-suited for ceramic and porcelain tiles, and it even includes a 45-degree miter guide for diagonal cuts. The QEP 10630 stands out for its reliability and consistency, making it a trusted choice in both DIY and professional environments. Users frequently highlight how well it handles repetitive cuts with minimal effort, and the build quality ensures it holds up after extended use. For those working on smaller-scale projects, the SEEUTEK manual tile cutter is a smart and budget-friendly option. This compact cutter is ideal for backsplashes, bathroom tiling, or minor patchwork. Despite its smaller size, it still offers excellent cutting strength, thanks to its high-hardness tungsten carbide scoring wheel. The base is made of steel with anti-skid rubber pads to keep it stable during operation. While you won't find laser guides or elaborate rails here, the simplicity of this tool is its biggest advantage. It's light, portable, and incredibly easy to set up and use. This is a great starter cutter or a backup tool for contractors who don't want to haul larger equipment for every job. Coming in next is the JUSTSMART manual tile cutter, which is available in multiple lengths including 24, 32, and 48 inches. This cutter stands out due to its built-in infrared laser positioning, making it incredibly accurate even on longer tiles. It also includes a replaceable tungsten carbide blade and a wide, stable base for improved cutting control. Whether you're working with ceramic, porcelain, or polished tiles, the JUSTSMART handles them with precision. It's especially useful for mixed-size tile projects where flexibility and length is important. Users report smooth operation, excellent alignment, and surprisingly clean snaps, even on tougher materials. This model hits the sweet spot between performance and affordability, giving you pro-level features without a premium price tag. Last but not least is the Porter Cable Wet Tile Saw, the only power cutter on this list. If you're cutting stone, glass, or thick porcelain tiles, manual tools may not be enough. That's where a power wet saw like this one excels. The PCE 980 features a 7-inch stainless steel blade, an onboard miter square for consistent alignment, and a roll cage design that protects the saw while offering portability. Its built-in water reservoir helps reduce dust and keeps the blade cool for smoother cuts. This saw is perfect for precision jobs where manual cutters may chip or break delicate tiles. While it requires more setup and cleanup, the time saved during cutting, and the finish quality, often makes it worth the investment for serious DIYers or professionals.